Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, you can enjoy beautiful design about flower and hand embroidery. So you can easily get in different type of ideas. Hand embroidery is a centuries old art form that has been passed down through generations. Will find some basic tips for hand embroidery. So first one is choose the right fabric. Second, choose the right thread. Third, choose the right needle. And fourth one is start with a simple design. Fifth, take your time. And sixth one is practice makes perfect. So some additional tips for improving your hand embroidery. Use a hook to keep your fabric taut. This will help you make neater stitches. Second, use a variety of stitches to create different effects. There are many different stitches that you can use in hand embroidery. Experiment with different stitches to see what you like best. Use a light box to trace your design onto the fabric. This will help you make sure that your stitches are accurate. Use a marker to mark your starting and ending points for each stitch. And back stitch around your design to add definition. Back stitching is a simple stitch that can make a big difference in the look of your embroidery. Use different color of thread to add interest to your design. Be creative and have fun. Hand embroidery is a great way to express your creativity. So don't be afraid to try new things and experiment with different design. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.